Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how a CD writer actually works. That means what are the parts present inside it. Okay, this is not how it's work. What are the parts present inside it, I am going to show you. Okay, here is the CD writer and I am going to open it in front of you. Most of the CD writers contain screwdrivers and actually a laser. Okay, I'm going to demonstrate you how does it work from inside. What are the parts actually contained inside? Okay, here we go. No, this is little hard a bit. I'm going to forward it for you. Okay, I completely opened this one. Okay, you can see now here it is the internal structure of the CD writer. Okay, here is the buttons. Okay, and the most of the CD writer works through few motors. Okay, here is the motor which is used for moving this one, moving the rotator. Okay, rotator is nothing but which is used for rotating the CD. Right here, let me show you. This CD is adjusted here like this, adjusted like this, and here is the laser. Right here you can see the laser. Now first of all, this laser is going to hit forward as soon as the CD writer is started. Okay, let me show you back of this. See, this motor is there right here. Right here this motor is used to rotate. As soon as this is rotating, the laser will be moving. See, right here laser is being moving slowly. Okay, and this rotator is used to rotate the CD. And above all, how this is connected. First, this is the data cable which is used to transmit the data from CD writer to CPU, and here is the power cable which is inserted to run the CD writer, everything. Okay, now you guys understood. This is the motor which is used to rotate the laser, move forward and back the laser, and the same rotator, again the motor is used to rotate the CD. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you guys. Please subscribe to my channel to get more videos, and have a nice day.